I'm going to be transforming into Capain Hook today, and I love doing male transformations. It's always very complicated to create those masculine features with a lot of subtlety. So today I'm going to be using my Maron paint palette, an eyeshadow palette, my Prozade prosthetic glue, and Elmer's glue in order to cover my eyebrows so that I can draw on new ones. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I always have a lot of fun transforming into men. It's super complicated to kind of contour the face to look more masculine than it is, but it's one of my favorite things to do, and I feel like I get better at it every time I do it. I'll see you next time.